we'll make another cartoon character, which is Phineas. He looks like this, a little funny but cute. This looks interesting. He has a different shaped face like a triangle. Let's learn how to draw and color him step by step. We draw a triangle with the black sketch color, like this. We make the eye of Phineas, and the eyeballs, and the hair like this. Now we'll use acrylic paint colors. So let's go with fluorescent color on the face of Phineas, like this. Make sure the paint doesn't go outside the outline. Paint it carefully. We paint the ear with the same color too. We've taken a broad brush to paint the face. Fill the face properly with the color. Around the eyes, mix it well. Yay! Now the face is getting completed. Yes, now let's do the eyelids with the same color. Okay, now let's paint the hair of the character Phineas. He's a funky-looking character with orange color hair. We painted inside the outlines with orange. This is a funny and interesting character. We can use small brush for this area. Fill up all the gaps. Now we take some dark blue color for the eyes. Like this. And we leave the eyeballs white. And the other eye. We leave this eyeball white too. Okay. Now with the black sketch color, we'll do the outline of the eye. The outlines are already made, so we'll just darken it using the black sketch color. We'll do the same for the other eyeball. Let's fill in the color on the outlines of the eyes. Nice and clean. Like this. Be careful. And the outline for the other eye too. We'll do it slowly and carefully so that it looks neat. Then we paint the mouth with the maroon line and the face outline with the same color. we complete the face and the ear like this. And the hair. The hair looks so cool. Phineas has a very different hairstyle. Now complete! Phineas, looking cute. Wowkidz, fun and learn. Fun and learn! Please subscribe to our channel today.